doing?
It's my knee. You practically busted my damn knee.
Stalking me now?
Stalking you? I was protecting you.
From what, Southern perverts?
Yeah, whatever. I can't believe you.
It's not that bad.
It's my knee. I'll tell you how bad it is. What the hell are you doing all the way out here anyway?
Everyone's been eating a lot. This is the only place the trees aren't picked clean.
Yeah, well, you shouldn't be out here alone. Not after what happened to...
No, I'm fine. I can take care of myself.
Oh, of course. I don't need protecting. I can take care of myself. Me cage. Me throw rock. What, you smell blood on the wind?
You don't hear that?